You can also add in integrations inside of a Prezi Design project. So to do that, on the left side, you can click on Add Integration, and here you can see for most of them, you need to have an upgraded version of Prezi. But these two are free to use, as you can see. So you can add in a URL right here. So this one is quite simple to use. And if you were to click on this, it'll ask you for a URL. So if I were to type in http://www.youtube.com/tutortube right here. So let me just go around and apply this. Click on insert. And what happens is that you have this, as you can see right here. So TutorTube YouTube channel is here, as you can see. So it is regarding video tutorials. So you got the exact details from that particular URL, as you can see right here. So that is how you can integrate out different things. And over here on the right side, you don't have much option for this, but you can work around with the transparency. So I'm going to go around over here onto the same option again. Click on the URL. So if I were to type in http://www. Let's say, for example, I'm going to type in google.com now and click on insert. Then you can see that this is what you have. You got Google, you got the details right here, and then that is what you have. You can see that it is very responsive right here. It arranges out into a particular space. So now another thing that you can do is you can go around over here and click on upload an XLS file as well. So if you were to click on this, you can go around onto the drive right here. So here I have a book file. So let me just open this out. And what happens is that you can see that it has been inserted out right here as a line. So if I were to click on edit data, you can see that this is what you have in the data, and it actually uploaded out, it generated out a graph according to this, just like that. So you can go around and then change out the value over here as well, and it changes out the value from over here on the graph as well. And that is how you can add in integrations inside of a Prezi Design project. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.